my channel. So all of you who know me and all of you who are seeing me for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Rajnandini and this is my YouTube channel, which is by Rajnandini. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and hit that bell button so that you get notified whenever I create or upload any video. So we all are at home nowadays because of the coronavirus outbreak, and this is the look that I have created during the quarantine period. So this is the very glam purple or blue smoky eyes that I have created for you guys today. Enjoy this look, and also let me remind you guys, this will be a very long makeup tutorial because I am going to chit chat with you all guys. I know I have not done that for a while, so I'll be doing a chit chat, and this will be a very detailed video. So take or grab a bowl of popcorn and enjoy this particular makeup tutorial with me. So today I'll start with some skincare, and I have already washed and toned my face. So I'll start with some serum today. So today I'm using the Dot & Key skincare. This is the Zip Sapling Skin Clarifying Face Serum. I have been using this serum for now about a month and a half, and this serum has really improved my skin texture because it has salicylic acid in it, which exfoliates your skin and getting rid of all the bumps or any kind of blackheads or whiteheads you have. Now I'll move on to moisturizer, and for moisturizer I am using the Tea Tree Skincare Facial Moisturizer. I'll take a pump. This moisturizer, it feels like heaven because it has mint in it, and when it like touches the face, it has this cooling effect. So before applying primer, I'll just let my moisturizer to set in my face for near about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll see you right back after 15 minutes. So it's already 15 minutes and my moisturizer has set into my face really nicely, and now it's time to apply primer. And you have seen me using this particular primer, I don't know, in many videos I guess. Now this particular primer is a pore filling primer. So I'll apply this on the areas wherever I have pores basically. So like I have pores here, so I'll not do a massage, I'll just do this so that whatever pore is there, it gets filled up and I get a smooth base. Now I know guys, a lot of you are like in quarantine or in the isolation now because of the coronavirus outbreak. So you can tell me in the comments down below what you guys are doing and planning, like staying at home, what you guys are doing. I am having a very good time with my family, so enjoy this particular phase with your family, because you know, in this today's busy world we don't get time to spend with our family or with our close ones, and especially spending time at home. So this is the correct time to spend your time at home with your family and close ones. I know a lot of us complain that we don't get time for self-caring, self-pampering, this is the correct time, guys, to do this. Also, you have time for movies. You can watch movies on Netflix or Amazon Prime. You can watch television. You can have time for reading books. You can do lot of activities at home. So tell me in the comments down below what you guys are doing. For foundation, I am using my favorite MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundation, and I am in the shade NC42. It's a very good foundation. It gives you a medium to full coverage, and I know it's a bit on the higher side in terms of price. It's not pocket friendly, but if you want to invest in one of the good foundation, and you need just a drop and it goes a long way, so you can invest on MAC. I know it's a bit on a pricey side, but if you can afford, just buy at least one foundation of MAC, especially the Studio Fix Fluid. It gives you a very good coverage. It doesn't look cakey, and it feels like a skin. It doesn't feel like that you have an extra layer. Now I have taken a pump or so at the back of my hand, and I'll use this much only for my entire face. Believe me guys, this much is more than enough to cover your face. So to apply the foundation, I'll be using my PAC Beauty Sponge, and I have damped it with water. So don't apply foundation with a dry sponge. Believe me guys, it's of no use. Apply it with a brush or with a damp beauty sponge always. I am a sponge girl. I'm not a fan of a brush. I don't know why. I just don't like, or I don't know. I have a tilted side towards the sponges because I feel it gives you a very good coverage, and at the same time it picks up all the excess from your face. So you can see guys, I have just taken a bit and then I am applying. It has already covered almost half of my face. So I was speaking about this coronavirus outbreak. So I know a lot of us are isolated and at home. Like my office, they have declared work from home. Even I am working from home, and it's very important. Government is like recommending and like requesting all of us to stay at home, just not to go in parties or not to go in places where people gatherings are there, because this is the only way that you can stop the outbreak, because you know you don't have any kind of vaccine or any kind of medicine till now to cure coronavirus or to remove the coronavirus. The only way that you can take care is by self-isolating yourself. A lot of countries like Italy, even France, England, and also China has already locked down their country and cities. So it's very important. We can have our birthday next year. Also we can have our social gathering afterwards. Like I have my birthday very near, like 23rd March is my birthday, and I have already postponed all the plans that I had. I'll be at home with my family, and you know, spending birthday with your family, like what you want more. It's like a blessing for you. So guys, you can see it has given a very sheen and a very like skin-like coverage to me. It doesn't feel like that I have any kind of layer on my face, and that is the reason why I love MAC Studio Fix Fluid. Next I'll move on to concealer, and for concealer, you know, I use my favorite LA Girl Pro HD concealer. I don't know, I don't have a dupe of this, and I have not found any concealer till now or till date better than this. It is very good for the Indian skin. The formula that LA Girl uses in this particular concealer is the formula is very Indian skin girl friendly, so that's why I recommend this, and even I love this and I use this every time, every single time. So I mainly use LA Girl to conceal the under eyes and wherever I have darkness. Like I have a birthmark here, so I apply it on my nose, around my mouth, because I have pigmentation here. Now I didn't know earlier about this LA Girl Pro HD concealer, and I was always in a search of a concealer somewhere or the other, and then I started following Malvika Sitlani. I know many of you know her. I think all of you know her, and I am a big fan of her. Like I have learned so much. Like jumping into a beauty blogger or a makeup or into YouTube, she has inspired me the most. Like she is like, Malvika is like, I watch her videos and I'm like, what? This girl is just killing it. And after that only I just got inspired and I started my YouTube blogging, and I just love her. And even I have started using this LA Girl Pro concealer from her videos, watching Malvika's videos, and I was in love with this. This really goes well with my skin, and I just love the formula. So I'll blend it out, and with whatever is left in my sponge, I'll just apply it over my eyelid, so that the eyeshadow that I'm going to do today, it will give a good nice base to it. So for brightening and highlighting, I have used this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand Sable. So I've applied some dots, like 2 dots here under my eyes, on my forehead, my nose and my chin area. So before my concealer starts to crease, I'll set it with my favorite Color Bar Flawless Airbrush Finish Loose Powder, and this is in the shade Rose Classic. For my brows, I am using the Miss Claire Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. As I have completed my eyebrows, I'll move on to my eyes. To start my eye makeup, I'll begin with the L'Oreal Infallible Gel Crayon. So I have zoomed in so that you can like watch how I am creating this particular classy blue smoky eyes. So I'll start with my upper lash line. So I'll apply this kajal very close to my upper lash line. Today I'm using this Black Girl 21 eyeshadows in Mean Girl from the Root Cosmetics. And I will be taking this black shade which is Jackpot from the palette. And with the help of a bullet brush, I'll quickly blend the kajal. So I'll take very little on my bullet brush and slowly I'll blend it. for the blue pigment, I'm using the Wet n Wild single eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Moonchild. So with the help of this flat eyeshadow brush, I have picked the pigment, and now I'll just apply it over my lid. Oh, what? So it has a fallout, so not to worry, I'll just. So as you can see, I'm just tapping the pigment all over my lid, and I'm taking it up to the crease area. So now to blend my crease, I'll apply the transition shade, and for my transition shade I'm using this particular shade, which is Sacred Money from the Root Cosmetic 21 Blackjack eyeshadow Mean Girl palette. So I'm using the Sacred Money shadow as my transition shade. So I'll be taking this particular shade, and the shade name is Limousine. So I'll take this shade and I'll apply it with the transition shade, mainly focusing at the outer upper corner. Then with the same transition shade, which is Sacred Money, I'll then again blend everything out. And next, with the help of an angle brush, I'll take this black shade, which is Jackpot, and focus at my upper lash, near my upper lash line. And I'll give a wing effect. I'll quickly outline my upper and lower waterline with the same L'Oreal Infallible gel crayon. I'll take the Limousine shade from the palette and just blend the kajal under my lower lash line. To highlight my brow bones and inner corner, I am using this particular shade, and this shade name is Bachelorette. For mascara, I am using the Maybelline Falsier Push Up Drama. I'll apply a single coat of this at my upper lash line and my lower lash line. I'll apply a pair of false lashes quickly, and then I'll come back again. So today for falsies, I am using the Nykaa Lash Talk, and this is the OTT Drama. Just you can see the difference. Falsies just make so much of difference, and especially if you are creating smoky eye look, then guys, just add a pair of falsies. It just makes the whole look different, and it creates a lot more drama to your eyes, like you can see. And like, I don't understand, Nykaa, these guys are really doing well in this particular industry. Like, every now and then they are coming up with something new, and they are killing it. They are just killing it. Like, I have used the pack lashes, those are also good, but this particular one, Let me give you a close look. This particular one is so nice. It's not that heavy yet it looks so dramatic, but it's very easy and very comfortable at the same time. So as my eye makeup is done now, so I'll complete my rest of my face quickly, and I'll start with bronzing my face. And for bronzer, today I am using this particular bronzer. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer, and this is in the shade What Shady Beaches. So I'll take and I'll dust off the excess. And then you know the usual area that I love to bronze. And I'll create a 3 from here to here. With the same bronzer, I'll contour my nose. So I'll take a small fluffy or a angled brush like this, and I'll take some and dust off the excess. For blush, I'll be using my favorite as usual, the Maybelline Fit Me blush, and this is in the shade Rose. And for highlighting the high points of my face, today I am going to use this particular highlighter. This is the Obsession Makeup London highlighter, and this is in the shade Moon. So I'll grab okay, not bad. Just see that glow. By the way guys, I'm using this particular highlighter for the first time. So as you know guys, I always use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and this particular highlighter, full marks to this. See that glow guys. To set my face, I am using the MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus. And for my lips, I'll first line my lips with this Lips Don't Lie lip liner from Nykaa, and this is in the shade Birthday Suit. And for lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa Mini Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Janvi. And this is the final look. Very glam, very like mom going to party kind of look. You can create this look if you are going for a party at night, or for a cocktail party, or for a DJ night. You can create this look, and if you create this look, please tag me on my Instagram page. My Instagram handlings are right there in the description box. Also, let me know how you have liked this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. And if you have liked this particular video, give a big thumbs up. And yes guys, I'll take a goodbye today and hope to see you soon. Also be safe, be isolated, don't go to gatherings, be safe from this coronavirus outbreak. Don't go out, don't go for party. You know there are time for party, there are time you can go and enjoy. So be safe. It's my request to all of you. Please, please, please be at home, be with your family members, and don't do party and all. We can do this all thing after this like pandemic situation comes in control. So be safe. Until then, bye and see you soon.